guys, we're here to do the energy of the 9th, and I'm doing this on the 7th. I'm so proud of myself. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. Just watching the sun go down. All right, so many things going on. I just feel so distracted. I feel worried. And I'm kind of feeling like there's some people talking negatively about other people. So be careful of that at this time. One of the most important things I feel like to focus on right now is being genuine, or really focusing in on more kindness, more generosity. Loving yourself unconditionally is also coming up. It just feels like there's somebody who might be a little frazzled or overwhelmed or stressed, and it's just kind of like ripping apart your soul. And I know that sounds a little extreme, but maybe that you relate to that, and if you do, feel free to comment. Another thing that's coming up here is it feels like because we're into September, we're starting to get a little bit closer to that new moon. It feels like self-love's going to be extra important with this new moon. I'm not sure what's going to happen. I haven't done the reading yet, but it'll be interesting to see. But a couple suggestions for self-love is really just making affirmations that you're beautiful, that you are a good person, and that you know, you're coming from a loving place, things like that. It's just like a little bit more of a better self-talk, really, like instead of kind of letting other people make you feel badly, if that's kind of something that's happening to you right now. The other thing is, I'm kind of feeling like prayer has been coming up a little bit more for some people. So if you don't pray, that's fine. But it might be something to start practicing, because it is a really great way to get a little bit more involved in your own participation. School is also coming up for some people. I know a lot of the kids are finally back to school, so I do feel like encourage your children to participate more as well. Sometimes kids struggle with their social skills and they worry about what other kids think, or maybe they don't want to be the first one to sign up for something, whatever it is, but encourage them to participate. That's what I'm hearing. Also, focus on your glass being half full, not half empty. That's also coming up. And I'm also hearing to each their own. So do what makes you happy. Like, allow yourself to do what you want to do, instead of focusing on like what so-and-so is saying is the right thing to do. So I get that you might have someone around you who is very outspoken, and just what I'm getting here is just to kind of ignore a little bit of like their energy. So it might be a good day to, not going to say isolate, but like separate from those who lower your vibration. That would be a good way to put it, okay? Because we need to get our energy up, and so it feels important to do that. So if you want to hop onto my TikTok at 3 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time, I'm Moncton, New Brunswick. Feel free to do that. I would love to see you. It's $15 for a reading, unless you're a subscriber. If you're a subscriber, you get a reading every time I come on live. I'm doing more scheduled readings, but I also hop on randomly there as well. If you check out my link tree, you'll find my TikTok, but it is Horseman Readings. I'm also underneath Instagram, YouTube, and I'm getting trust your vibes today. Lots of throat chakra for everyone. So really focus a bit more again on communication, where it's Mercury retrograde. All right, love you guys so much. I've got 2 programs coming up now. The second program I'm teaching is on the 21st of September. That's an hour and a half. It's 55 Canadian. So if you want to join my grounding workshop, September 21st, 7:30 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time, and that's going to be recorded for my VIPs. But I'm just encouraging you guys to just pay to register, and then I'm going to accept 9 people into there. All right, love you guys. Any questions, reach out, horsemanreadings@gmail.com. Bye.